What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Back again with another unboxing. This time we're gonna do a Menlo Club like I usually do, besides sneakers and different things, but mostly it's usually sneakers and Menlo Club. So this time we're gonna do Menlo Club, but we're gonna do something I got, on the sale that was running. Um, Definitely excited about these items because I'm starting to work out earlier in the morning. It's getting hotter in Cali, but it's still it's still gets like it's still chilly in the morning. So good thing to throw on and start off with. Then the other item, I have two other items like it, just different colors. So I think this color was gonna pop, but we're gonna see. First of all, second of all, because I already put the first of all out there. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day to all the women that play a role and taking care of their kids and that type of thing. Even if you're not a mom by birth, you're still a mother. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to my wife. Happy Mother's Day to the mom of my other children, and happy Mother's Day. To my mom, my grandmother who's still alive. I was able to talk to her not too long ago. Just happy Mother's Day all the way around. Um, Shout out to y'all, man. I hope y'all enjoyed y'all day. I just got back from meeting with my wife for lunch. She had to work today, but we sat down, had lunch with my son, and now he's pooped, he's out, so I'm able to do this video. So it worked out, man. But he had a good time, man. We had a good time. Shout out to the moms, and shout out to y'all that's doing it every day. Very, very well deserved day. All right, so let's get into it. Might be the thumbnail, who knows? Let's see. All right, so first up, yeah. All right, so nice little gray. Sweater, hold that all the way up. So they have the tag now. So I have a black one like this. Workout type stuff. Splits right here. So maybe it's not hugging around you. It's cool. I like that. If that's the case, Then you got so you got the regular 5'4" tag there. I'm gonna go extra large. You got the nice little knits that tie around the sleeves. And yeah. It's a regular gray, plain Jane. Throw this over what you got on to work out, and work out when you get hot, just throw it off. If it stays a little cold, chilly, you keep it on. Sweat, throw it in the washing machine, good to go. Beautiful fabric, nice and soft, and good, and it's for a good price, So we messing with that. File that away. Ooh. Now for probably not the workout, but the more it's not same color I thought it was. She got that light GRC. Running Club kind of jacket, exercise jacket, Again, like you seen in previous, this is a khaki color. It's a little lighter khaki or beige. You got that inner pocket right here. If you want to throw something in there, your iPod or whatever have you. Little headphone case. You got them. You got the pockets, and make sure the pockets can put your hand all the way through. The last one I couldn't. Didn't want to put y'all out there like that, but it was stapled together. But I like the jacket so much, so put that in there. So some compartments, and then this can go up to your neck. If you're actually using it for running and something. But if you're just putting it on, just put it on that sole, and you know, and you in there, you chilling. You know what I'm saying? You put your little watch out. You know what I'm saying? You chilling. You kicking it. You know. So, and I just have some khaki pants on. So, you know, I want to wear them these shorts, but not a bad gig. Only thing I'll say about this is the sleeves. It's kind of long, but you know, you can tuck them in, do what you want to do with them. And this large fits me, but I always notice because of my size, my circumference. I zip it up. I'm like brother man fit flow tight. So you know, I just wear it out. Keeps an extra layer on you. You know, I digs that. Yeah, so good sale. 5-4. We appreciate y'all. You know, Menlo Club. Man, we appreciate y'all. Good sale, and you know, products came in a timely manner. So yeah. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Either way, man. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms. Love y'all. Take care of each other. Till next time. Long live D-Mac.